lots of vegetable and my jerk chicken wings. Oh, with my sauce. Mm, mm, guys, I need to do a mukbang with this. All right, guys, I'm back to taste few little bit more for you because the phone is dying. All right. I add some extra cucumber. With the sauce. Take a bite, guys. Enough to clean the bone. So good. Spicy, juicy. Oh my god. So good. Bone fall into the ground. All right, guys. I gotta get off here. Guys, I don't show my face because I'm hungry now. I'm gonna get some rest for work. So I didn't have any time to go pretty up for camera. And you know this girl here are dreadlocks right here, so yeah, no. A little bit of ASMR jerk chicken wings mukbang for you. Nothing too fancy. I wanted to taste it for you guys because no, so something kind of nice, so. And the pasta, ooh, guys, I think this cheese is Parmesan. I don't know if it's mozzarella or Parmesan. There's no name on the package. Eat one more piece for you guys. Take a bite. Juicy. Oh, I'm like a shark over here, guys. I'm gonna leave that piece until later. I'm full now. Last piece, guys. All right, that's it, guys. Love upon me, and I love upon you. Clean plate. You have a wonderful day. My belly fully now. I just gonna relax and get myself ready for work. Whew. This is good. It was delicious. Jamaican flavor, Jamaican style. Bye, guys.